All right, I'm watching a video where a police officer is allegedly flirting with someone that she pulled over and that she's giving a ticket to. So I'll let you be the judge of that. But I'm Blake Zaccagnino. I work on mostly personal injury claims in New York State. And I like to comment on TikTok videos, Instagram videos, or otherwise other videos on any other platform where something might trigger me and make me think of a legal concept. So here, I wanted to explain how traffic tickets are generally handled in New York State and how the result of that ticket could possibly impact your personal injury claim if there was an accident that resulted in you getting a ticket. So if there was an accident that was involved. So generally how it would work is you're pulled over for some sort of a traffic infraction, whether that be speeding, driving on the wrong side of the roadway, doing something improper that the police officer thinks that may have violated the New York State vehicle and traffic laws. Generally, what happens after that is, depending upon how the encounter goes with the officer, you may or may not get a ticket. If you get a ticket, there will be a court date that will be on the ticket that will state whether you can send in your plea by mail and not appear initially, or if it's a type of infraction that mandates your appearance for the first appearance to put in your plea of guilty or not guilty. So depending on what that is, you will either represent yourself in the matter or have an attorney help you. So let's go on the route of if you had an attorney. So if you get an attorney to help you, they'll make sure that your not guilty plea was received by the court. A lot of the times the court will provide you with a follow-up date that better works for the attorney's schedule, where the attorney will meet with either the district attorney or the prosecutor depending upon what type of infraction it was, whether it was a criminal ticket where it's more formal or it was just a traffic infraction. The attorney will appear for you, or you will appear with your attorney on whatever the next date is with the court. The attorney will meet with the district attorney and or the prosecutor, depending on what level of offense you're dealing with, and see if there's some sort of a reduced plea arrangement that could be worked out. So whether that means reducing your ticket down to a parking ticket that would not have any points or marks on your license, or some sort of a reduced plea where maybe the offense that you're going to eventually plead to may come with some points on your license, or may not be a complete reduction all the way down to a parking ticket where it comes with no points, but it may be less than what you would have gotten at what you were charged with. So if a plea deal is worked out, which most of the time in these vehicle and traffic matters, these plea deals are worked out because it's just not worth going to trial in most cases, both for the prosecutor or the DA as well as the defendant. It's just the stakes are not high enough in most cases, and I'm just talking your standard traffic infraction, for example, speeding. Unless it's a super high speed where you're going 100 miles an hour in a school zone, then that's a different story. But just your standard speed, for example, generally the stakes are not high enough to go the trial route. And the other point I wanted to add on to this was, if an accident took place and that then resulted in you getting a ticket and you have some sort of a personal injury claim ongoing, whether you're the person that is making the claim or you are being sued or someone has made a claim against you, it is always advisable to have an attorney represent you in the traffic matter, and or have the attorney representing you in the traffic matter be in contact with the personal injury attorney or the defense attorney, who can best advise on how the result of the ticket could impact the personal injury claim. So that's extremely important. So that's all I got for you on this video. Let me know if it was helpful and leave your comments below or any suggestions on any videos you want me to do. Thank you.